Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo. In this video we are discussing question number second B. Before starting this I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and handwritten form. If you need this you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is provided in your screen and which is 90093688238. Here you can get your assignments online in PDF form. If you need this you can contact us. Now here the question number 2B is the following are the marks of 60 students in mathematics. Here are the 60 students numbers are given. So we have to construct a more than and less than cumulative frequency distribution table with class interval 10 of for each class, and this is from the lesson 6. And this lesson so we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need this you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.